What if our planet finally ran out of fossil fuels? No oil, no coal, no gas, just silence and sunlight. Now imagine, somewhere on Earth, there's a place so massive, so sun-drenched, it could power the entire world. Yes, the Sahara Desert. But here's the real question. What if solar panels covered the entire Sahara Desert? The Sahara Desert receives more sunlight in one single day than some countries do in an entire year. Just think about that. If we covered only 1.2% of its surface with solar panels, we could produce enough solar energy to power the entire planet. That's not science fiction. That's environmental science in action. Experts in renewable energy and solar technology believe the Sahara could become the world's largest solar power plant, a project so ambitious it could transform not just our energy system, but the climate change itself. But hold on, this isn't just about electricity. This could change the weather. When solar energy changes the weather, the Sahara Desert isn't just hot. It's bright. Its pale sand reflects sunlight back into space, keeping the region dry and barren. But imagine replacing that bright sand with dark, heat-absorbing solar panels. Suddenly, the ground heats up. Warm air rises, carrying moisture high into the sky. And as it cools, rain begins to fall. Scientists say this could double the rainfall across the Sahara and increase vegetation by 20%. Can you picture that? A green Sahara, alive with rivers, plants, and life. Solar energy that not only powers the planet, but breathes life into a desert once thought lifeless. That's not just green technology, that's rewriting the story of climate change itself. But it's not that simple. Now, here's where the dream gets complicated. Even if we built the biggest solar farm in history, we'd face enormous challenges. The first problem? Transmission. That much solar power has to travel thousands of kilometers from the Sahara Desert, Morocco, to Europe and beyond. And every kilometer means energy loss, about 10% over long distances. Then there's infrastructure. Much of Africa still lacks reliable power grids, and cooperation across multiple nations, each with their own borders, governments, and politics, makes the project incredibly fragile. You can build a solar panels technology empire, but one political shift could turn off the lights. Investors love energy efficiency and renewable energy, but billion-dollar dreams need stability, something no desert can promise. So, should we give up? Not at all. Instead of powering the entire world at once, we can start small, village by village, home by home. Imagine solar panels lighting schools in remote communities, powering hospitals, running water pumps deep in the desert. That's not just solar power, that's transformation. Because every global revolution begins with one spark, one solar panel catching its first ray of light. This is how humanity builds the future, not through fear, but through hope and innovation. The Sahara Desert holds enough sunlight to power humanity 1,000 times over. And as the world searches for real energy solutions to fight global warming, the answer may already be glowing across the golden sands. So, What if the desert that once symbolized emptiness became the heart of Earth's solar panels' Sahara Revolution? The power to reshape our planet's future isn't buried in the ground. It's shining right above us.